Christmas. Yes.
Family over everything.
Family over everything.
Yes.
Good over evil. Life over death.
Hey guys, good morning. I am on my way to the salon. I don't have an appointment. I'm hoping that they can take a walk in to get my nails done because tomorrow is the 24th, Christmas Eve, and we're going to be having a sleepover at my sister's house. So the kids are the one who actually requested this. We did this a couple of years ago. I think during COVID, and the kids are saying we want to do that again. We want to have a sleepover with everybody at the house and everything. And I thought that was like so special and so nice. And they love it. You know, like family is everything. Getting together, spending time, it's everything. So this is what the kids want to do. They want to be together. So yeah. So today is my last day to like get everything that I need to get done because tomorrow we're gonna be heading over to my sister's house. So this is what my nails is looking like now. Nothing there, and I'm hoping I can get. I don't like fake nails, so I'm hoping I can get like dip, so it stays a little longer than the shellac. So guys, come with me. Okay, guys, that was so amazing to just get pampered up a little bit. And now we are at my sister's house. I had to pack up all the gifts, guys, in this big garbage bag to carry it in the car so we could like put it under the tree and add it to hers. And so that when the kids wake up, they can open gifts as well.
Ready, Cheryl?
Yeah.
Come on, Cheryl.
Before I watch that one. What we doing? What we doing, baby? Okay.
Cheers. Cheers to the Christmas. Yes.
Family over everything.
Family over everything.
Yes.
Good over evil. Life over death. Cheers to Merry Christmas and looking forward to a wonderful 2020-25.
Yay! 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
Guys, I just want to wish you guys a happy holiday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. Oh my goodness, this was so good. The kids really appreciate and was very happy to be in one place, and spend time with each other. And of course, under the tree, full of Christmas presents and everything. Yes, guys, family is the best. We ended the night watching a movie, Red One, and it was actually a really good movie. Yes, love it. So guys, I want to take this time to thank you guys for watching us from January to December. Yes, and we're going to be starting a new year. Yes, guys, thank you so much for your support. We do appreciate it a lot. Please continue to watch for more. Bye.